Guys, I'm at work right now, so as usual, this is what I'm having this morning. I'm at work 3 days after the protest, and all I can say is that truth is Nigeria is bad from the grassroots, because why I'm saying it is that everything, like I just literally just concluded a video where I was trying to create awareness for a particular field that kids have been sold a particular lie. Like, why would you want to waste children's life? Why? To tell them that they're studying radiography for 3 years. Where is it done? And you know how they keep looking for things to solidify the lies that these children, even when they try to get a clue of what is going on, they're being sold another lie. And I can't help but say that everyone is just, I don't know, the change starts from every one of us. Like, it can't just start from the top. Things are going bad. You'd open a school with no legal certificate for your members, and you end up indulging children, selling them a very big lie and wasting the time of their lives. Like, I don't know, it's just so crazy, but that's it. I already spoke about it in a video. So meanwhile, I brought work from home. So I'm doing a lot of work on my laptop. I want to look at my site and a lot of things, because the algorithm is is giving me boost. But of course, I didn't start YouTube because I wanted to look at the numbers, so I have to look at the greater picture. So meanwhile, I'm at work, and there's no patient, by the way. Today is Saturday, so I said I might as well vlog while waiting for my patients to come soon.
Close my eyes, I see your eyes again. It breaks my heart, but it makes me smile again. When I close my eyes, I see.
Hey guys, so I just got to the market to pick up a few things. I came back from work pretty early, so I'm here at the market. I want to buy a few things, but I decided to tell you guys what I'm up to before I'll head to the market to pick up the stuffs I need. Yeah, I also want to know if I'll make banana bread. I don't know if I'll vlog him. You know, once it's weekend, I guess it's the same thing with me and every other mothers in the house. We are all making banana bread and all. So I'm going to go get all the things I need. Just few things to keep in the house, and get things for banana bread as well. And I also want to make detox hibiscus tea, which is detox zubu, not the normal random zubu, but the ones that actually help to cleanse your system and all that. Yeah, so I'll be heading in, so I'll see you guys. I'll vlog the little I can and vlog when I come back as well. See you. You pack you spaghetti. Give me your hand. Guys, you take something like 50k to the market and think You just want to buy many things in the house, and you just be shocked at common egg 5,000 too. Small egg go, because the sizes is not like they're that big. 5,000 too. Crate of egg. Hey, it's just it's I don't know. It's unbelievable. But we keep trying to survive because I don't know. Like it feels like everyone is not even living. Like people are barely struggling to do anything. Like everything is just so difficult here. I bought these potatoes now for 2,000. This plantain for 5,000. This plantain for 5,000. Then this one, I want to make fried rice tomorrow morning, which I'll take to work. Then I bought chicken. I want to use and cook egusi soup. So this is it, and this is the egusi, and then I got this ginger for 500. This roll I think 800. This is 950. Then I got this Gino curry. I've forgotten how much. So even the indomie we have has gone down. So I bought another packet of indomie. Then I got spaghetti, slim spaghetti. I think this is new. And I got Cameroon pepper. I got this oil to refill the ones we have in the house. Like I got packet of Maggi and just other things that I use and cook soup. See, and then you just be looking for where all your money went. Now on chicken, buying chicken now, it's like, what they even call it? Chicken now, the price of chicken now, one is 7,000. One very small thing, it's not even that big, and you'll be looking for the meat. Like it's just so crazy. And I think I also got, where is that? I don't know. I got a lot of other small things. There's Morocco, there's garlic and the rest of it. I actually want to do a bit of planning before going to work. My skin seems a bit rough, so I want to do something about it. It looks dull. I'll be using this vitamin C serum to prep my skin. Before I'll make use of this, I use this Deza aloe vera gel. Now it's my plan. It helps. I don't know. Whenever I'm doing it with it, I barely feel some sort of bump. So now I just finished my derma planning. Today I'll be heading over to a clothing store where I usually buy my clothes from, because of course all my clothes are literally loose, so I need to get, I look very funny in most of them, right? So I need to get like a few things to, I'm not going to do a complete wardrobe change because I don't have that kind of money in this economy, but I'm going to just get a few things for myself and I'll bring you guys along. But I don't know if I'm going to vlog the whole process of me trying to fit in the clothes, because the truth is, when I'm done with work around 5, I have limited time. So I just have to, I already asked the woman to bring out, I showed her like some inspos of things I would like to get. I feel like it suits my body right now, to just bring them out for me. Then I'll just pick them up. Then I'll come and test them and pick the ones I want to pick. So it's going to be very fast. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she would actually line them up, because if she doesn't, it's going to be a whole lot of work. And if I may probably leave her stay maybe close to after 7 to 8, something like that. So I don't hope to stay out that long. I don't do night journey. So I'll still remind her again as I'm heading to work. Yeah, my skin feels a bit like, it feels a bit more glowy this morning, because at least I've improved the texture and all that. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I just remembered it's my bestie's birthday, so I'm going to show you guys a video of she unboxing what I sent to her. I don't know how the surprise will go, but I'll just send you her unboxing video. I'm going to add it as the next clip. So I'm off to work. I'm done preparing right now. So let's go.
So guys, I just came back from work and guess what I saw? My bestie got me these beautiful sneakers all the way from Nigeria. Now, it's the effort that counts. She knows I'm a sneakers girly and this sneakers is given. I just love it, all the way from Nigeria. Isn't that so good? I love this gift, Mimi. I love it so much and I love you. Thank you. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's from ASOS. Like, still got that tag, ASOS.
It doesn't mean I'm lazy. No, it doesn't mean I'm sad. I just prefer the company of a few friends than a room of people that I don't know. So please don't force me, cause I just don't wanna go home. And when I'm outside, the world's such a big, crowded place. Trying my best not to hide, but sometimes I'll still have my days. I like feeling safe and warm and cozy. I'm as low-key as it gets, so skip the small talk and the calls, because they make me quite upset. Cause I'm an INTROVERT, yes that is me. I have inner monologues and I'm as quiet as can be. Oh, but it doesn't mean I'm crazy. No, it doesn't mean I'm shy. And if you
Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away your pain. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try.
So guys, at this point, I don't know, whatever failed attempt I want to call it at styling this hair, your girl has done her best.
Mommy, look at my baby.
Oh, your baby is fine. Your baby is so cute. So I'm done with styling. This was a failed attempt though. It's not so bad if you think of it. Like, I did a good job for a first timer. But allow me to talk, baby. I'm going to give it to you. Just wait. I'm going to raise it small. So with this now, then off next, I'm just done. We're heading over to my cousin's place to see Zim's cousin. So that's just what we're going to do. There's no need for all this terror. And I'm done. I'm definitely going to be sending these wigs to the stylist to do a proper job because bro, but I think I was able to hold down the front. Like I love the look of it, but I don't know, probably because I don't have what they call this, I don't have what they call it, a hot comb, so I feel like I'm probably struggling with it, but otherwise I've done my best. And then this bag, and then this wig has been in the bag for so long, and this is my first time of bringing it out and trying to style it and wear it for the first time. So of course, it has been through a lot, but we take it. I'm sure by the time I take it to the stylist and bring it back, you guys are going to be so in love, right? It feels like, I don't know, but I don't want to run too much on this, so we're just done. Is that we're done. I think I may just, can I have this? I may just apply a little bit of makeup because
I thought my daddy is watching car.
Your daddy is doing what?
My dad is watching car.
Your daddy is not watching the car. Your daddy went out. He's not downstairs. Thank you.
What? What?
What do I really want to do with my face? See, if there's any word that could be used to define as minimalist as possible, I think that would be what I would go for. I'm done. I don't think I'll carry you guys along. I've made a very long vlog at this point, so I'll just do it and get back to you guys. Nessa, how are you?
Put Alicia. Okay. Press okay. Don't snap me. You got it, Mama.
What did you just say?
I said you got it, Mama.
Oh, my baby. How are you? Should we look alike? Are you one that is reading Ugosugo? Is you that is writing assignment to Ugosugo? You want to write a couple lectures? It's not just when you want to enter. It's not just when you want to enter.
No.
Which class? On my phone.
You don't know that whenever you have top to show you.
Well, that's if it's cropped up now. Ma? Hello. Let me see. Sister. Money woman. Can you make anything from me? Did you go the gum there? Jingle belly. I don't need to go. Don't go get me something. Are you trying to hurt yourself or you're trying to spell that? Why are you playing it? Care of Becker. What's your name? Okay, let me ask you a very honest question. When you had the plan, you thought of the plan and started coming, what was your aim? How you get the girl? Let me be nice. How can you get the girl? If I'm a maybe, she won't do. If I want more, I'm Hey, Timo. I'm asking if I them. Exactly. Come on, what you tell him? I got drop on transit. You can look here. Yeah, get me you for father. Most women are I see now. They're supposed to have change of clothes. It's even unhealthy. I see him. I'm always I don't know. I see. Okay, to ask the community clinic because in KUNT it's like I'm not very clean and thorough. So you can't even wear dirty clothes. For him, I'm going to both the sister about the mother. Who has 14?
My sis.
Huh?
My sis.
Which one's your sis?
My sister.
Which of your sister?
My eldest.
Who is the other sister that has 14? Where is the 14? Not good. Come on, shift. 14 from where to where? From where to where? If Naya?
From London.
If from
London.
who got it for her?
My aunt.
Which of your aunts?
She's in London.
Laya Musa. Shift! You can't lie.
No lying.
Which of your aunts? Call the name.
Your perfume.
So I just got back and I'm very tired and I want to end this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share.
Like what? What is this?